Welcome to Device Lab. Today, we'll be examining the best micro ATX PC cases. The Cooler Master MasterBox Q300LV2 is a compact yet versatile micro ATX case designed for efficient cooling and easy customization. It features a sleek, modern look with a perforated front panel and magnetic dust filters that keep the interior clean. The transparent side panel allows for a clear view of the internal components, making it an excellent choice for showcasing your build. One downside is that the case can get a bit cramped if you're using larger components, especially if you're aiming for an advanced cooling setup with multiple fans or radiators. Cable management might also be challenging due to the limited space behind the motherboard tray. Additionally, the perforated panels can let through more noise compared to solid ones. Overall, the MasterBox Q300LV2 offers great value for those looking for a compact case with ample customization options. It's perfect for a stylish and clean build, provided you're mindful of the space constraints. Check out the link in the description below for more details and to purchase this case on Amazon. The Lian Li A3-mATX is a high-quality micro ATX case designed for those who appreciate both aesthetics and functionality. It features a brushed aluminium exterior, providing a sleek and premium look. The case offers excellent airflow with its ventilated panels and supports multiple cooling solutions, including liquid cooling setups. The modular design allows for easy customization and upgrades, making it a versatile choice for different build configurations. On the downside, this model can be on the heavier side due to its all-aluminium construction, which might be a consideration if portability is a priority. Additionally, the price point is higher compared to other micro ATX cases, which might be a deterrent for budget-conscious builders. The limited space might also require careful planning for component placement and cable management. Overall, the A3-mATX stands out as a top-tier case for micro ATX builds, offering a balance of style, durability, and performance. It's well suited for those looking to create a clean and efficient build with a premium feel. For more information and to purchase, please follow the link in the description below. The Asus A21 is a compact and stylish mini tower case designed for micro ATX motherboards. It features a clean, modern design with a mesh front panel that enhances airflow, ensuring your components stay cool. The case supports multiple cooling options, including space for up to 5 fans and compatibility with liquid cooling radiators, making it versatile for various build configurations. One drawback of this model is its limited interior space, which can make installing larger components or advanced cooling setups a bit challenging. Cable management might also be a bit tight due to the compact design, requiring careful planning to keep everything neat and tidy. Additionally, the case might not have the same premium feel as higher-end models due to its more budget-friendly materials. In summary, the A21 is an excellent choice for those looking for a budget-friendly compact case with good airflow and cooling support. It offers a great balance of functionality and design, ideal for building a stylish and efficient micro ATX system. For more information and to purchase, please follow the link in the description below. The Thermaltake Vue 170 TG ARGB is a micro ATX case designed for both performance and aesthetics. It features tempered glass panels on the front and side, allowing for a clear view of your components. The case comes pre-installed with 3 120mm ARGB fans, which provide excellent airflow and customizable lighting effects. It also supports radiators up to 280mm, ensuring robust cooling options for high-performance builds. The front I/O panel includes 2 USB 3.0 ports and an HD audio port for convenient access. Despite its many strengths, this model has some drawbacks. The tempered glass panels, while attractive, are more fragile and can be prone to fingerprints, requiring careful handling and regular cleaning. Additionally, the case's compact size might be limiting for users who need more space for extensive hardware or larger cooling systems. The ARGB lighting is controlled via the motherboard, which might not be compatible with all systems if they lack a 5V addressable RGB header. In conclusion, the Vue 170 TG ARGB offers a stylish and efficient solution for micro ATX builds. Its combination of tempered glass, ARGB lighting, and versatile cooling options make it a compelling choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking to showcase their systems. For more details and a purchase, check out the Amazon link in the description below the video. The Jonsbo D300 is a stylish micro ATX case featuring a curved tempered glass panel that provides an expansive view of your components. This case is designed to support high-performance builds, accommodating large GPUs up to 374mm and CPU coolers up to 168mm in height. It also includes versatile cooling options, with support for up to 10 fans and radiators up to 360mm, ensuring excellent airflow and thermal management. The front and side panels are made of durable tempered glass, enhancing the visual appeal of your build. One of the drawbacks of this model is its relatively large size for a micro ATX case, making it almost as large as some ATX cases, which might be a limitation for users with limited desk space. Additionally, the case does not come with any pre-installed fans, requiring users to purchase fans separately for optimal cooling. The tempered glass panels, while aesthetically pleasing, are prone to fingerprints and require careful handling to avoid damage. Overall, the D300 is a great choice for users looking for a visually striking and spacious micro ATX case with excellent cooling potential. Its support for large GPUs and multiple cooling options makes it suitable for high-performance builds. You can find the link to purchase this case on Amazon in the description below the video. The Thermaltake Tower 300 is a uniquely designed micro ATX case, featuring a striking octagonal prism shape that enhances its aesthetic appeal while providing excellent airflow and cooling options. This case supports large GPUs up to 400mm in length and tall CPU coolers up to 210mm, making it ideal for high-performance builds. It comes with 3 tempered glass panels, offering a panoramic view of your components. The case also includes 2 pre-installed 140mm CT fans on the top, and it supports up to 8 120mm or 140mm fans in total, along with a 420mm radiator on the right side for optimal cooling. However, this model does have some drawbacks. Its relatively large size for a micro ATX case might be a concern for users with limited space. The case's vertical design, while unique, can be less convenient for some setups. Additionally, to achieve its full potential, you might need to purchase additional accessories like the optional chassis stand kit or the LCD screen kit, which can add to the overall cost. In conclusion, the Tower 300 is an excellent choice for users looking for a stylish and highly customizable case with great cooling capabilities. Its unique design and extensive support for high-end components make it a standout option in the market. For more details and purchase, check out the Amazon link in the description below the video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with future content. And feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring.